What's up, everybody? Today we're going to learn how to weld. For my birthday, my in-laws, they bought me a welding. It's like a starter kit. The Chicago Electric welding. It's the basic one. I don't know. It's basically plug and play almost, and today we're gonna attempt to do some welds. I got some random pieces of metal and see what we can do. Alright, so some of the stuff that I have is this shield, and it's one of those automatic. It's got like the dials and stuff. You set it to what kind of intensity and whatnot, and we'll try that first. You're supposed to start it up and basically look off to the side while wearing it and see if it darkens, and if it doesn't darken, then you're not supposed to use it. So we'll test it out first, and then we also got the just like your basic some gloves, and I have a apron. I'll probably wear the apron even though it might be a bit dorky, I don't know, but I don't know, just in case something splashes. I don't know, I've never done this before, so take the proper precautions and whatnot. So let's get started. Gotta lose the hat, so. So for this part, I'm just gonna test out the visor to see if it actually will darken up. So I'll flip this guy on, and pretty much it's on the lowest settings. I don't think I need 100% right now. I'm just gonna fire it up and see if it does anything. Here. Wish me luck. Here we go. It's not doing anything. It's feeding the wire through. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. So it's just feeding wire in, but it's not sparking. I don't know if I have to click harder here. I'll try one more time. Yep, it's just feeding it through. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I know you guys will probably know what I'm doing wrong right now, but I can't figure out why it's not sparking here. Just wasting wire. Alright, so I figured it out. The piece of metal that I'm using, this one is too rusted, so it's not grounding right, and I switched over to one that is better. It's cleaner, so therefore it's working now. So now we can get down to business, making some bird shit welds.
they're not rusty like this, so maybe it'll make better contact. So I know you guys are gonna judge me on the vice grip not being attached, but I just got this table, so I haven't had a chance to hold it down. So we're just gonna use it like this because we're not really putting that much pressure and stuff. That's pretty much as you'd expect it. Yeah, so it's kind of on. It's really hard to see right now exactly what I'm doing. Like I'll try to follow the. You know, I've watched a lot of videos and they're like, you know, you have to follow that puddle and keep that puddle going across both sides. But it's a little hard to actually see that puddle. Like every now and then I'll catch it and I'll see it, but it's mostly all over the place. Like I'll just try to stay as straight as I can go. So it's super dirty. It's nowhere looking nice. I mean, but when you look at it this way, as those two pieces of metal now have become one. A very ugly way, mind you, but it's on. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is try to stand one of these up here. It could be one of those magnets that you put in at an angle that hold things together for you. That's just only one side. But I'm sure if I hit it with the hammer, it's going to fall off. But that's a little bit stronger than what I've been making. A little bit tougher. Way better. I think I figured it out. It's the feed wasn't fast enough. So it was like really like very sputtery. Now it's like a steadier flow. And yeah, it's actually a way stronger hold. It's still gonna win because I only got one side on, but that's way better than before. Way better. See that? On there. Yeah, so I wouldn't call this professional by any means, but
That there is 2 pieces of metal stuck together. I can get this shit to focus, right? There we go. And it's on there now. It's not very pretty, but hey, for the first time I've done this, I wouldn't say it's half bad. Alright folks, that's gonna end it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video of me learning to weld. This is what I mean. It's on there. Like, I mean, there's no complaints on that. Like, it's gonna be on there. A few more years of practice and hopefully we'll be making some stuff. But this is definitely something I'm gonna keep doing. It's so cool. Like, this is on here. Like, you can definitely perfect it a little bit more, and you can use this. Like, this could be something. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can make a table or some shit with this. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Hopefully someday we'll be making something cool. We'll see.